Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if the web camera of your ACER Chromebook Spin 713 isn't working properly. So if you cannot get your web camera to work using default camera application, for example, then you're gonna have to make sure that the access to your camera isn't blocked. To do that, in settings of your device, go to privacy and security, and after that select privacy controls. Here you'll be able to see the camera access. Make sure that the camera access is switched on, and then also make sure that this access is enabled for the application that you want to use with your camera. So here you can see the list of all the applications which may use your device's camera. Make sure that the application that you want to use your camera in has its toggle switched on. Now, if this doesn't help you, well, first of all, you can restart your device by going to the Control Center, Power Options, and then Restart. If the restart won't help, you can go to Settings, you can go to System Preferences. In System Preferences, select Safety Reset option, then Confirm, and then after the Safety Reset is done, you can check the camera once again. And if the safety reset won't help you, then we can perform a factory reset operation. Before you do that, go to your Files folder, and from your local storage, make sure to back up all the data to your Google Drive. Then, to perform a factory reset operation, go to System Preferences, scroll down to Power Wash, and click Reset. Then select Restart, and on the following page, confirm performing this operation. Then your device will be reset to factory settings, and after that your camera should start working normally again. If this isn't happening after the factory reset, then you should consider a hardware issue possibility and reach out to either ACER customer support service or just the nearest repair center and ask them to take a look at your device's camera. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.